Hi, welcome to ya. Now we are going to see about credit rating. Okay. Uh, Credit rating is a quantified assessment of the credit worthiness of a borrower. So the credit rating helpful to assess the credit worth of the borrower. The borrower may be a company, firm of or person or institutions, anything. So they give the credit worthiness of the borrower. Okay. Then origin of credit rating. The credit rating was first originated by the foreign countries, mainly with the effect of the credit rating, then only it was developed in India. So, according to this, Moody's issued public C available credit rating for bonds in 1909 and other agencies followed suit in the decades after. Okay, so in 19 until 1936, the banks and other institutions did not know the effectiveness of credit rating, but afterwards it was developed. Okay, then functions of credit rating. The credit rating first provides the superior information. The superior information means they give the information um, to the intermediaries, brokers, and so on. Then they are the credit rating was worked by the specially trained staff members, so he can assess the risk easily. Then the third one, the firm has to give the lot of information needed to the public. So the credit rating gives the superior information. Then low cost information. So low cost information means with the credit rating we can get um, we can get the more information with the low cost. Okay, then the third one is it is the basis for proper risk and return. So the credit rating agencies higher confidence from investors, so they give the corrected information. Healthy discipline on corporate borrowers. So the credit rating reflects the true fact. So the corporate borrowers, they act as a disciplined way. So these are the ratings used by the business concern. In this rating, they used the symbol A, B, and C. So on the symbol A represent it was in a high grade, then the B represent it was in lower grade, and C represent the it was in a statutory level. Okay, so A, triple A plus, A minus. So all are in the ratings was given according to the business concern. Then what are the credit rating agencies followed in India? So in India there are numerous credit rating agencies are followed. Now we are going to discuss the few one. So first one is CRISIL. So the CRISIL is the India first and largest rating agencies, and it started its operation in 1988. Okay, so the CRISIL was started with the partnership firm with the help of the National Stock Exchange. Okay, so the CRISIL is the main credit rating agencies which was followed in India. Then ICRA. So ICRA refers to Investment Information and Credit Rating Agencies of India Limited. So it is the second rating agencies in India. Then it is a joint venture company. They deal with the corporate debt, bank loan credit. So then other related mutual fund ratings, it was all given by the ICRA. Okay, then CARE. CARE represent it is the second largest rating agencies. They also give the ratings for bank loan, and then in the bank they are provide both the long term and short term debt ratings and initial public offerings. Then renewable energy service companies all are rated by CARE. Okay, so it is the second largest rating agencies. Then ONICRA, say it was set up by Onida Finance. So in the ONCRA, it is also give rating to the small and medium enterprises as well as to the individuals organization and as well as the medium and small scale organization. So now we are going to see about the benefits of credit rating. The benefits was divided into investors point of view and customers point of view and corporate point of view. So first one, the investors point of view, it is helpful for the investors in decision making purpose. With the credit rating, we can get the or we can carry out the right decision at the right time. Then second one is that it provides safety. Yes, the credit rating provides the safety. Then it saves time and effort. The credit rating already analyzes all the things, so it is easy to save the time and effort. The next benefits to the company or corporate point of view. It increase the credit rating increase the goodwill of the company. Then it also provide health credit score. So in the credit rating, when the company wants to score more, they act in a right path. Then it helps in growth and expansions. Yes, the credit rating help in growth and expansion of the organization also. So it provides an ensure liquidity to the company. Then what are the benefits of credit rating to the consumer point of view? It helps in channelizing the fund. Yes, the credit rating channelize the higher credit rating. If I want, we can choose the higher rating. So it gives the right path to the customer. Okay, and also it develop the saving habit. Next, production to the investors. Yes, the credit rating product the interest of the investors. So these are the various benefit of the credit rating. Then the limitations of credit rating. There is no uniformity among the credit rating agencies in India. As we agree this, there is the credit rating was followed by the different organization in different way. The CRISIL followed one way, the CARE followed another way, the ICRA followed another way. So there are a lot of credit rating agencies. They have no uniformity in rating. Next, no standardization in rating also. Yes, there are different six grades for the companies are followed. So there is no standardization in rating. No standardized fee structure of rating. Yes, there is no standardized fee structure was also followed by the credit rating agencies. Next, no proper distinction. So there is no distinction. When we want to invest in the mutual fund, when we want to invest in the equity shares, they do not differentiate it. So these are the limitations. Then making rating mandatory for equity instruments and mutual funds. So making mandatory means making compulsory for equity instruments. So rating exercise should be made compulsory to equity instruments of the mutual fund. So for other days it is in negative ways. So difference between two credit rating agencies. Already I said there is no standardized in credit rating. Okay. So these are the various limitations of credit rating. Okay friends, make use of these slides and go through it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.